I think sometimes just coming back to what is here is just looking at the sky and just watching it clear. I don't know about you, but I find some kind of peace in that. My body's in a lot of pain at the moment, and I'm definitely connecting with nature today. I feel like living a life that's not aligned to my truth is literally killing me off slowly. I have no choice in this. I'm very sentient, so I need nature. It's a necessity. So just watching the sky can be a form of meditation in itself. Just a connection to nature and self.